This tutorial introduces you to the concept of supporting different layouts, based on the locale of your application. While many of the languages have a layout that is designed from left to right, some languages like Arabic and Hebrew have layouts designed from right to left. Today we will learn about an overview of how Volt MX supports right-to-left layouts. The ability to mirror flex position properties and the content alignment. The ability to customize the layout at each widget. And the API is to customize the layout at runtime. Volt MX Iris provides a lot of flexibility to design applications with any layout using its flex layout capabilities. To further how designers and developers support multiple layouts for the same application, and without a need to redesign their application screens, we have introduced the concept of locale-based layouts with the version 8 Service Pack 1 of Volt MX Iris. With this release, Iris provides a few simple configurations to support layouts in both left to right and right to left directions. Configuring right-to-left layout. Now let us see an example of how an existing application that has been designed with a layer from left to right can be configured to support a language like Arabic with a layout designed from right to left. This application is currently designed to support the English locale, which has been designed from left to right. Now I will configure the application to support Arabic with the layout designed from right to left. First, I will start with navigating to the project menu and selecting Settings. This brings up a window to configure the internationalization settings. Internationalization is used to support various languages and regions in an application. This enables options to select layout configurations based on a locale. Next, I will select the Configure and Configure Locales button. This opens the window with all the predefined locales available within Iris. Here I will select Arabic. If you notice on right, I have checkboxes available for each locale to mirror the flex position properties and the content alignment. Mirroring the flex position properties allows me the mirror properties like left and right. Mirroring the content alignment properties allows me to flip the content alignment. When I scroll down, notice how English is already selected since it is my default locale. Now let us click on OK. This brings us back to internationalization settings, where we will add the keys and values for each of the locales. Finally, I will click on Finish. Now that we have added the Arabic locale on the canvas, notice how Arabic has been added to the list of locales supported. If I select Arabic, Iris automatically mirrors my default layout based on the flex position properties and the content alignment settings we had enabled in internationalization. I can switch back and forth between both left to right and right to left layout right within Iris Canvas. Iris also provides the capability to customize any of the widgets to have the same layout and content alignment in our locales. This can be done by using the Replace I18N and Layout property for the widget. Here you can enable the layer to be custom, and then configure the flex position properties and the content alignment settings to use the same values across the locales. Configuring locale-specific capabilities with API. Apart from the design time capabilities, Iris also provides extensive APIs to help customize the layout at one time. These APIs can be used to configure locale-specific capabilities like the direction of animation for the widgets. Let us look at an example. Here I have the animation code for each of the locales. For the locale with left to right layout, I want the menu to animate from the left. And for the locale with the right to left layout, I want the menu to animate from the right. Next, I will assign the functions to my menu through the action editor. Now my application is ready to support both locales with layouts designed in opposite directions. Let us run this application on Iris App Review. My default locale on this device is English, and as designed the application layout and content alignment for English is from left to right. When I select the menu icon, the menu animates from the left. Next, let me go to the device settings and change the language to Arabic. Once I do that and go back to my application, notice how the content is changed to Arabic. Not only that, but the application layout and content alignment is also mirrored to start from right to left. Now if I select the menu icon, which if you have noticed has moved to the right, the menu animates from the right. This was a short overview of the locale-based layout configurations that help app designers and developers to design applications in both left to right and right to left directions. Please refer to Volt MX documentation for more information.